Senthil and I'm in 3rd grade. My project is called Crystal Wonderland.
What were the questions you had?
My questions were, do crystals form in nature? And my hypothesis for that was, yes, crystals will form in nature. And my second question was, why do crystals form from salt? And my hypothesis for that was, because saline water becomes cold and the crystal is formed. And my third question is, what is salt made of? And my hypothesis for that is salt is made out of water.
So what did you do to find out your hypothesis is right or wrong? Yeah. You did an experiment.
Yeah, so am I supposed to tell you my conclusion?
Huh?
Observation now?
Yeah, you just tell like what experiment you did and how did you do it.
Shouldn't I tell my materials?
Yeah, solid with the part
My materials are water, Epsom salt, food coloring, a pot, a 16-ounce glass jar, pipe cleaners, and popsicle sticks.
What did you do with all those materials?
First, get all your materials. Next, boil 1/2 cup of water. Using the pipe cleaner, make a structure. Pour the boiling water into the 16-ounce jar, and then add 1 cup of Epsom salt to the water slowly by just doing like 1 tablespoon and stirring it until it gets dissolved, and keep on doing it until the whole cup is empty.
Okay, and what did you do?
No, I'm not done. I'm not done. Then stir the water to make sure the salt is dissolved in the water. Attach the popsicle stick to the pipe cleaner. Add red food coloring to the jar. Drop the structure into the jar. Keep it in a safe, cool place. I put it in the refrigerator on the 2nd day. Observe it every day. Every day for 3 days, maximum.
What did you find when you observed it?
My observation is on the first day, nothing happened. I think on the first day, nothing happened because we kept it in the garage, which was kind of a hot place. I think it needed to stay in a cold place. And on the 2nd day, I moved the jar to the refrigerator. 3rd day, I saw a few crystals forming at the bottom of the jar. And on the 4th day, I saw a lot of crystals at the bottom, and some were forming on the structure.
Okay. And what was your conclusion? What did you learn from this experiment? Were your hypothesis right?
My hypothesis was mostly right that crystals can be formed in nature. Here's what I learned from the experiment. Salt is made of sodium and chloride. And after the salt dissolved in the water, salt dissolved in the water, sodium chloride detaches. The molecules were able to reattach during the evaporation process, and thus crystals were formed. I still wonder why it formed only after keeping it in the fridge.
Okay, good job.